Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy Mastery. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to go ahead and play some craps today, and I'm going to show you it's a betting system. You guys know about Jimmy's Way, right? So it's basically Jimmy's Way betting system. But what we're going to do is we're going to call it the skip ladder. That's the name of this strategy. It's called the skip ladder. So you're going to skip one time. So in other words, when you fail, you're going to go and do the same dollar amount. And then if you fail again, then you'll go up. So you're playing a ladder system, but you're going to do a skip. Jimmy's Way gets 3 chances for each level. Sometimes when you do it that way, it's a great system to prevent the casino from really hurting you, because you would really need to have a lot of sevens happen for you to really get in any kind of trouble. But I do have certain ways that I play Jimmy's Way. I'll have to show you that, but that won't be today's session, okay? Today we're going to play the skip ladder. Yeah, I just checked my messages, actually. I had one interesting comment. The guy goes, you claim you're the best player in the world. I don't think there's anybody better than Waylon. And I was just like, hey, man, there's nothing wrong with you supporting your guy. I think that Waylon, I always say, I think he's probably the second best player. But there's only one GOAT. That's what I told the guy. So, but anyway, I did one time, I think it was about 1.5 years ago, 2 years ago, I publicly announced, hey, let's play. Let's record it live and let's get together at a casino. And let's put 10 grand on the line if you want, or I'll even do it for free. I don't care. If he ever wants to play me, we'll play a series, and I think it would be good entertainment for the whole craps community. So, Waylon, if you're ever out there and you want to challenge me to or accept the challenge, I'm the one challenging you, so you would be accepting the challenge. But anytime you want to ever play at a casino, me and you can meet up, and we got to go to a casino, obviously, that's going to let us film it, because the whole thing would need to be captured on film. The only place that I can think that will let us do that would be the Rio in Las Vegas. I don't really know where he lives. Like, I know he's in Alabama or something like that. But I might be able to get permission at the Hard Rock there, because I do got a good relationship with the Hard Rock. So I might be able to tell them about it and see if they could give us special permission to film there for this challenge if he decides to do it. He doesn't need to prove anything. I don't need to prove anything. But it would probably just be fun where a lot of people would be interested in that challenge. Okay? So anyway, let's go ahead and get started and see how this goes. We got 5,000 here, and we're going to play the skip ladder. Here we go. 6 is the point. All right, so I'm going to be on level 1. I'm going to go with 4 numbers. I don't want you to go with any more than 4. You can pick any 4 you want. 11. 10. That's going to be 50. 11. Another 10. Okay, that's going to be another 50. All right, so we've already earned $100. So now we're at a situation where we're free rolling, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down. And I'm going to plop them on my hard ways. And we're going to see if we can spike one of those hard ways, okay? Here we go. 9. 7. We're going to lose our profit. Okay, here we go. We're going to start all over. We're even on the session. It's a 9 point. Okay, and because you broke even, there's no reason to go up. So in other words, we're not skipping a level. We never even had to go up. So we just start the system over, okay? It's like it never happened, okay? We'll go with any 4 that you want. Okay, 2, no help. 4, 50. 4 again, another 50. Okay, we're going to come down. Okay, here we go. We're going to invest our profit. Hard 8. There we go. Okay, we're going to get 225. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and press that bad boy and pocket the rest. Here we go. 7. That was a waste of 200. You never know. You never know. Okay, we're gonna. We were successful, so we didn't lose. So we're just gonna start the system all over like we never started yet. Okay, it's a 9 point. Okay, we're gonna go with the 9, the 8, the 6, and the 5. 6. That'll be 35. 8. That's another 35. 9. It's the point. It's another 35. We're going to come down. I'm going to work to come out. I'm just going to go back on my hard ways here. Okay, we're going to work to come out. 6 is gone. We do not replace it. 3. 8. 8 is gone. We do not replace it. Hard 6. That sucks. That's a point, by the way. We're going to work to come out. 2. 3. 9. Come on, little T. We want that 2-2. There's a 10. We're going to lose this guy. We got one more chance. We got little T. 2-2. 6. Come on, 2-2. 7. Okay, we're going to lose our profit there on that guy. Here we go. 8 is the point. Okay, we're going to go 4, 10, 9, and 5 this time. 8. Okay, that's the point. We're going to go ahead and work. 7. We were working. We're going to lose 100. We'll give them a hundo. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to work again, and we're going to skip the ladder. This is our first time skipping the ladder. Here we go. Hard 6. We don't got a 6. Here we go. 8. We don't have an 8. We don't have an 8. 5. We got one of them. 35. I'm going to press. I'm going to press that 4. Here we go. 4. Woo, I'm psychic powers, baby. That's a hundo. Okay, we're going to put that hundo. Come down on these guys. Here we go. 9. 8. We're going to lose that 8. 5. 5. 6. We're going to lose our 6. Hard 10. There we go. 175. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put that guy at 50, that guy at 50, and those guys at 50. Here we go. 7. Oh, that happened to us 2 times now. That would have been a nice one if we hit another one. All right, here we go. All right, so we're going to call that one, we're going to call that one, no, actually we didn't lose there. We didn't lose. Look at that crap. Look at that crap, the very next roll. All right, that's okay, man. We're okay. We're still going to be on the same level. So we're not in any kind of trouble or anything like that. You just got to stay persistent, keep giving yourself the opportunity, and it's going to happen. When you go to that 50, you're going to eventually hit it. So there's a hard 10 right there. We just ain't on it. So there's 50, okay? Okay, I'm going to take that 50, and I'm going to put it on my 4. Okay, here we go. 3, 4. That's 2 times that happened. Got that 100 again. Boom, 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 boom. Coming down. Here we go. 6. We're going to lose that 6. 2, 5, 6. Hard 4. Little T in the bandsaw. 175. Maybe we'll get it this time, guys. Maybe we'll get it. Gonna go 2, 2, 2, and 2, and pocket that 50. Maybe we'll get it this time. Third time is a charm. Oh, thought that was gonna be the 5-5 right there. We're gonna lose our 6. 7. Jeez. We ain't having no luck on that $50 level. All right, guys. We're still in good shape. We ain't even on level 2 yet. We got nothing going on here that's any kind of fear. We're just chilling out, guys. We're just chilling out. Okay, let's see if we can get some money back. There's a 4. That's a $50 hit. 8. We don't got an 8. 9. We got a 9. 35. Okay, that's close enough to 100. Okay, let's go. 11. Hard 4. Little T in the bandsaw. Sooner or later, we're going to get it. Persistency, baby. Determination. 3. Come on. Let's go. Let's get a little T again. Hard 10. There it is, boys and girls. There it is. There it is right there. That is going to be 350. Okay, we're going to go a quarter more. Let's go. 8. 8 is gone. 12. Hard 6. Boom. 75 on that mofo. Okay, 75 times 9. $675. They don't even got enough to pay us. We got to take the white chips as $100 chips. We got 700 of them. We're going to give them a quarter. And that's a wrap. We didn't even get to level 2. That's a wrap. That's exactly how I would want you to play it. As soon as you hit that jackpot like that, you are out. We will go one more and then we'll count it up. If we don't succeed here, we'll go ahead and cash out. We'll just lose back this 100, but we will not go any further than that. That would not be very intelligent. Here we go. Only way we continue is if we get a hit here. But if we lose, we're done. 8. 8 is gone. 12. 7, that's a wrap. All right. Gave back to the casino $100. See what we did. We started with 5,000. Okay, let me get a quarter here. Looks like I'm going to need 2 of them, so that's 50. That'll give us our 5,000 right there. Okay, so we've got about, we'll call that 100. It's probably about 90, but we'll call that 100. Okay, so we got a lot of chip money here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1,300. We didn't really get to play the skip ladder. We really had so much success with our hard ways that the hard ways dominated the strategy, okay? Which is what you want. You're not really looking to focus on the skip system, the skip ladder, okay? The skip ladder, just so if you guys are still a little confused on what it is, all it is really is if you lose, you don't go up the second time. You skip going up. You skip the ladder. Everybody knows what laddering is, right? But if you lose again, on the skip, you actually have to go up. So we would went from a 25 on 4 numbers to 50 on 4 numbers. And then we would go for just what you witnessed. Now you cannot go, when you start to lose and you get picked off, we did not experience that today. But if you start to lose and you're not winning any money and you're actually losing, you are not going to go on your hard ways, okay? The only time that you would really go on your hard ways when you're in profits. If you're not having success, the focus is on the skip system to get back your money. What I would recommend that you do if you are in a scenario where you're down and you're playing the skip system and you can no longer do the hard ways because you're not in profit, what I would recommend that you do is that when you go up, let's say you reach to level 3 and you got $75 on 4 different numbers, what I would recommend that you do is every time you get a hit, I would press it. I would press the wins on those numbers until you see out there that you have almost all your money back or you're even. And then I would come down immediately and then restart all over back on level 1, okay? All right, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that. A little quick, easy system for you guys to play. That's called the skip ladder. All right, peace out.